Hey guys, Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my midweek haul. Um, I told y'all this is just like struggle nation right now. Um, and so I did come up with a few little deals, and we'll discuss. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, y'all, it's been rough. It's been continuously rough. Not a whole lot of deals going on. And this I tried to put together what I could for today's haul. But again, there's not a whole lot going on. And so yeah, there's that. What else? How many of you guys have forgiven Shopkick already? I'm curious. Because I told y'all I'm not doing no Shopkick deals. So if you want a Shopkick deal, we're not Shopkicking over here. We're not kicking no shops over here. We're kicking some shops over here. But I'm just curious how many of you guys have forgiven Shopkick. But anyways, y'all, listen, I'm yapping. We're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, so this first deal is on the Yogi tea. So they're priced at $4.68. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll end up paying $9.36 out of pocket, but you'll get back $4.68 through aisles. I'll have a link on the Google Doc, and then we'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta, bringing them down to $1.34 each. All right, so this next deal is on the Love Crunch. It's on the protein variety, which they don't carry at this particular store. It's priced at $5.26, getting back $5 through aisles, and then 50 cents on Ibotta, making that a 24-cent moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Cleo yogurt bars. So for this, you could either grab the 8 count, which is priced at $4.27, getting back 2 on aisles, and $1 on Ibotta, making that $1.27. Or you can grab the 4-pack, priced at $4.48, get back $1.50 on Ibotta, $2 on aisles, making that only 98 cents. So this next deal is on the Kinder Lights, and they have some of them that are on rollback for $3.98. You want to grab a total of 2 of them, you'll pay $7.96, getting back 1,190 points on my point, which is $7.43, bringing these down to only 26 cents each. All right, next up is this. I actually grabbed this yesterday. I went ahead and grabbed a set for Walmart rewards as well as Ibotta, priced at $3.98 for the single. Getting back $4 makes it a 2-cent moneymaker. I know we don't need it. But at least it'll count for bonuses and stuff on Ibotta. An offer for the Glade. This one right here smells so freaking good. It's more of a I feel like it's more of a masculine smell, but it smells so freaking good. And so for this, you want to grab 1. Of course, if you can find any of the clearance scents, that's even better. But if not, they are priced at $2.38, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, makes it 88 cents with a limit of 5. Really quick, you guys, check your stores for the Athletic brand, Athletic Works sweats. And I just got Josiah some of these literally last week. I grabbed some yesterday though, but they're on clearance for $4, which is really good. I went ahead and got him some in a bigger size. He is wearing a 10-12 right now, my little chunky monkey. And I think I got him a 14-16 because why not? Right? He loves wearing sweats. He absolutely hates wearing jeans. And so yeah, but check your stores. I guess it would be pointless to give you the UPC, but check your stores for this brand because they were on clearance for $4. Well, these here say $4 and $5 at one store I was at yesterday and at this store too. Okay, so really quick. I know this is kind of random. But look, all of these t-shirts, these are the boys' t-shirts. They're usually in that little cubby thingy right there. Um, these are all of the ones that are scanning for $2. They're all the ones that are normally priced at $4.98, and they're all $2. I got Josiah a bunch of t-shirts. I think I'm gonna get him a few more and upsize them. Um, but yeah, just wanted to let you guys know, just so you guys can kind of check the prints and see which ones are on clearance. He has this one. I don't know what he did with it. So if I can find this in his size, I'll grab another one of those. This one and this one. So yeah, so check your stores. Last but not least is on the Truvani. I did this in my last video. I had an offer for a free one. And I haven't tried it yet. I got the chocolate. They're on rollback for $21.97. Another offer popped up on aisles for 90% off, which is $19.97, the year of my birth. It would make it $220. Now the thing I don't like about the aisles offers is when it pops up again, to me in my head, is implied that you could do it again. But I guess that's not the case because they was like, look, you already did it. Can't do it again. So if you didn't do it when it was free, you can still grab it at 90% off, which is still not a bad deal. On a little plant-based protein. Guys, don't you dare laugh at my tiny little haul. But you know what? It's okay. Because it be like that sometime. It be like that sometime. So this is all that I got today. And I'm okay with it. You know, I only got how many of my my midweek? 3, 4, 5, 6. So I didn't even get halfway through that. So I'm definitely not going to hit it. And again, your girl is okay with that. You know, and if you're in the same situation as me, you should be okay with it too. Because you know what? We ain't going to always hit all the bonuses. And I'm not trying to spend a gazillion dollars trying to hit a bonus. You know, got to make it make sense. You know, did do the airwork for Walmart Rewards and for Ibotta. I've told you can do both. It just has to be on separate receipts. I usually do Walmart Rewards first. And then once it hits my Walmart account, I use it for the second transaction. So basically the first set or the second set is paid for with the first set. So Walmart Reward pays for the Ibotta set. And a few of you guys have asked me about Walmart Rewards. I'll link my most recent video in the script. And so, yeah, right? And so everything that you see here retails $45.68, which is even less than it was last time. No coupons for this. And then we walk away with $15.50 from Ibotta. Walmart Rewards is $12. My points is $7.43, and that was for the Kinderlight that did go into review. Aisles is $6.68. And so we're getting back a total of $41.61. I didn't add up all of my sales tax, but I believe it was just for the airwork, so it was like $2 and I want to say 8 cents. And so it nets everything you see at $4.07 are 37 cents each, which is not bad considering I did want to grab some more tea, and I did get the detox kind and the Kinderlights for Josiah, so it's not like those are things that I don't need or I won't use. And those Cleos are just about to be my snack, and it's only 100 calories for one, so you know your girl's probably gonna eat them all because why not? And so other than that, if you make it to the end of the video, I want to see a frog. I want to see a frog because I ended up paying $4 for that calendar on Amazon because I didn't go to Dollar Tree and get one when they had them in stock. So I want to see a frog in the comments if you make it to the end. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.